Okay guys, I thought I'd just do a short little video of a walk through my studio. So as you can see, that's the lamp. It's pretty ugly. And I'm gonna fix that, gonna take that all off. Then down here we have that encaustic stuff with the shellac burn over it. That's, this is a stencil that I didn't clean off straight away. Look at it. It still works, but you know, I really don't like it that it's that dirty. So we got some stuff here, some towels. Then we got, from yesterday, we got our prints that are drying. Prints, squishes. And in front of the window, I have some paintings and some of my glass work. Here we take a little look outside. That cupboard, I made that. That's a garden cupboard with chicken wire in it. It's really cool. Then another squish squash. Then we're going to the next one. Here we have them all drying. See that? Then another window hanger, glass hanger, a lot of paintings, but you can't see it because of the back light. Then we have the Vallejo watercolor, all the colors that you like, nice and vibrant. Then we have the vase, which I'm sanding because I'm gonna do it again. Got a little stuff going on down here. That was a painting someone wanted to buy. They never got back to me. Yeah, okay, that happens. More paintings. Then we go over here. There we have a lot of paintings. There's that round one that I made like 100 years ago. Let's turn on some lights. That's the paint that I have in the shop. That's the grinder that I grind the glass with. Yes. That's how I cut the photo paper with one of those guillotine things. There's the photo paper. That's another little painting. That's all stuff that we sell. That's my painting station over there. So that's all my own paints and my own canvases. That's a lot of paint. And I really want to paint with that. See that's new, that's Vallejo. That's really big tubes. I'll show you. Like that. So we want to do something with that pretty soon. But that's all my stash, all my paint. Been gathering it for I don't know how long, like forever. Now this is my station where I do my work. You can see the lights, you can see the monitor. That's where I stand and do my thing when you guys are watching. Here's my camera where I take pictures of a pour that I like. These are the daylight lamps. That's my airbrush. That's the compressor down there. Under there's a lot of rubbish. Sorry about that. And then this is my drying rack. As you can see, a lot of paintings on the drying rack. And then all sorts of stuff going on down there. Here's all the new stuff from Ovatrol. That's my alcohol ink tray with a lot of rubbish on it. Sorry about that. Okay, this is this one I'm still planning on putting some gold leaf on it, but this is the big one, the abstract that I'm going to do. And right now I'm not feeling it, so I'm gonna leave it until I feel it. Then I'm gonna start with it. but that's how I am starting. There's a lot of structure. I don't know if you can see it. Let's see. Nah, not really. You can't see it. Sorry about that. So, this is the studio. Okay guys, thanks. See you later. Love you. Hi everyone. I'm not sure if this is gonna work. I am so ticked off. I won't say the P word, but I'm really ticked off because I just did a whole video. I did the drawing, as you can see here, and all I got was audio and no video. So I don't know what's happening because I can see you in the monitor and it just does not give me the video. Okay, so here's the deal. I'm not going to do it over because I think that's, you know, I already picked out these people, so I wouldn't feel good if I just did the whole thing over because then I'd pick other people and that wouldn't be fair, right? Okay, so I'm going to, oh boy, always something different with this iPad, really. I'm going to show you the paintings again, and I did the drawing out of here. This is February. I took two. These two are from, oh, that's funny because they're next to each other, but here that's February, and this was March. So those two are from March, and now I want to show you what you can pick out of, I guess. But if anyone wants to hear the audio of the first one, be my guest. I will put it on. Oh no, I can't because YouTube only lets you do, I think they only let you do video. I'm not sure. Okay. I'm just getting all the things back. Okay, what you can pick out of. The first one was February, and that's the Trudy and the Sharon. Oh, but I don't know which order I picked them out. I'll have to listen to the audio. Okay. Oh, what a mess. I was really, really, really ticked off. Okay, this is number one. This is where the people can choose out of. I'll do a little, let's see, I'll do a little thing under the video, and I'll put it in the email, the order in which I picked the people out of the hat. So this is number one. This is number two. Yes. This is number three. There's a little glitter on there. This is, whoops, no, this is number four. See, I put it on here, so. And this is, I really like this. That's what I said in the previous video. I'm going to try and do this again. This was that which I released under pressure. So I'm going to try that again. Yes. Then we got number five. That's the earthy colored one. Then we have number six. This is number six. And this is number seven. Those are the paintings. Or you can pick out of one of these. So they'll come on one of these chains with a little clasp, lobster clasp thing. But this is how I'm going to send them if you pick one of these. So that's number one, number two, number 3, 4, 5, 6. That's it. Okay, I'm gonna see if I got video. If not, then I am going to come back and do it again. Well, I don't know what happened, but now I got audio and video, so it's working. So I'll have to say sorry about that, but what can you do, right? no problem at all. We just do it over. Yeah, I because it doesn't feel right to do it again and put those names back in the hat, because I pulled them out and they got lucky. And if I were to do it again, that would really feel really bad for me. So that's why I'm not going to do that again. I showed you the paintings. I showed you the necklaces. So I'll be emailing all 4 of these people, and I'll have to go listen to the audio for the you know, number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. I'll have to listen to that first. And if it's not too big, I might send the file. Who knows? I'll figure it out. I'm sorry about this, guys. But, you know, if it happens to when I'm making a painting, well, okay, big, tough luck. But this happening when I'm doing the giveaway, that really, really, really is row. Okay. I'm over it. Move on. Like I said in the previous one, I'm going to clean all this up, put the giveaway online, and I am going to do some pouring this afternoon, because I was really feeling like pouring something big, maybe 40 by 40. Not sure. Got to figure it out. Or that one. I really think this is beautiful. Somehow, I don't know why. I think it's because it has the little cells and the big cells and these branchy things, and I'm pretty sure I can't duplicate this. That's always, you know, the deal. Not sure if I can do this again, but I'll try. We'll see. Okay, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.